What? Hi, sir. This is Heidi's in the Hood, and I would like to know what is your name
My name is Fo. It stands for First of Existence, First of my kind.
and what you do.
I do ministry through music. I go out and spread the gospel in the hoods and different schools and different places that God leads me to, and I like to do it, and I'm really ready to serve God in any way I can.
Okay, right now, here in Heidi in the Hood, we just hear Mr. Ken, Herman Ken, he just suspend his presidential campaign. He ain't running for president no more because due of the allegation about the lady who say they was having a 13-year affair, and for him it's hurting his family. He say he's still a fighter and he ain't a quitter, but just right now he have to suspend his campaign. So where you standing?
Well, I feel like that may be a good decision to make. In some case, some people may not feel like it because there's a lot of people depending on him, but a lot of times you got to get your house in order before you can do anything else. So he probably feel like that he don't have things at home in order, and it's really got him like going like crazy. So he feel like he have to get away from all that to be able to clear his head, and then in the future he might come back and be stronger than the first time. But only God knows which way he would go after this. I just feel like it may be a good decision. You might not see it as a good decision because of the responsibility that he had, but I look at it as a good decision.
Thank you, sir,
All right.
for your opinion.
Okay.
Hope to talk to you again and send us some free CDs so we can listen your so-called music. Bye bye.